So welcome back to my channel once again. Today's special is today we are going to celebrate annual day in our school. So all the chairs are already set. Jotono chairs or Jotono jaga arranged, and this side is for the VIP or chief guest. This way. Miss Arpita is busy. Miss Arpita is busy in decorating this lamp stand. Hi. And Ranjish are our great dancer. Dance teacher. And this is Joydeep sir is here.
Hello. Hello.
Yes,
hello. Hello. Hi. Hello.
Devo sir. Yang ngangkasin sir prohor by sir below.
Asa bu sitra ya sesun kang re borok hai. Asa bu nati se kepal kecak hai.
Zengin dong lah ba. Zeng sajak.
Bumung se pohor ke mas.
Pohor, zeng sajak.
Lai dokring ke banyak setes. Siapa itu nih? Hai kena.
Hai Siji.
Halo. Kak Soli. Hai Tina. Rasna.
Hello.
Shalom Kumar. Where are you? Our student already arrived. Student look आ गया है. अभी मैं और सर है यहाँ पर. सर भी बढ़िया है. आज fully formal uniform है.
Yeah.
Looking very handsome. Yeah.
So 18th annual day.
Yeah, 18th annual day. We are celebrating.
I'm sure we will do great, man.
Yeah, we are celebrating 18th annual day after 2 years. Since Corona. Yeah. Since we have celebrated in 2019, after that Corona, then we cannot celebrate. So this time we are going to celebrate. You can see around our children are all with the colorful dresses. Looking beautiful. You all are looking very beautiful. Yes, looking very beautiful.
Sir, you are also looking very handsome.
Yeah, thank you. My God, looking so beautiful, everyone. These are the band team of our school. Beautiful, looking very traditional. This is Tripura dance. Hello. Little angels. Everyone's looking very beautiful.
Hi. You. No, you will not see that.
Oh, wow. Which group? This is a which group? Salute to heroes. Very good. All the best. Yeah, all the best. Very good. Hey! Sausang ke bawah, stes yang like ya, garden of finally. पेरेंट्स लोग आना शुरू हो गया। इधर में फोटो के लिए रेडी हो रहा है सर को।
इस बार मैं मेरे को जो है रिस्पांसिबिलिटी मिला है कैमरा।
हाँ मेरा साथ। ऑल द बेस्ट। दिस इज अ स्कूल वैन। हाउ आर यू?
We're fine, sir. How are you?
Yeah, so nice to see you. So welcome back, okay?
Thank you,
Please
sir.
take a seat. The music band. The dark atam kena lo. Kelap fungsa terka. Wah, serah.
Hi, sir.
Hello.
Hi.
This is music band master. Yeah.
Everyone.
Yes. How are you?
Hi, sir.
So everyone is busy.
Yes, I'm
They are looking
good.
very fresh.
Yes,
Yang Miss Quina with a great smile today. Looking very beautiful.
Thank you.
Hold them, you blow nicely, you go.
Yes. They are doing good.
Ready?
Smile.
While the thought-provoking skits of our friends will tickle your mind.
While the contemporary dancers will not only enliven your mood, but will give you an adrenaline rush.
तेरी
many years back. Nice to meet you. Anasha, kaisa hai?
Fine, fine, sir.
How are you?
Busy.
Yeah.
Program was nice.
Yes, yes.
Program was very nice.
Yeah, thank you.
And I saw Satsujit after many days.
Yeah, yes,
And
yes,
I am a pastoral job.
And you want to say something?
Same, sir. Program was very nice.
Yeah, thank you so much.
And I want to say it was a very good experience for me to practice with such a great teacher.
Teacher, Miss Ma'am Tato.
Yes.
Yes.
How could I forget? How could I forget my good teammates, my partners? They were really awesome. Thank you.
Yes, yes, you too. Very nice. Congratulations, madam.